Hi everyone! Welcome back to Draw Animals for Kids, where we explore the animal kingdom through drawing. Today, we're going to learn how to draw one of the most majestic animals in the world, the mighty elephant. So grab your paper and pencils, and let's get started. First, let's start with the elephant's head. Draw a large oval shape in the center of your paper, slightly tilted to the side. This will be the main part of the elephant's head. Draw two long lines to form the elephant's trunk. Next, let's add the elephant's big ears. Draw two large, rounded shapes on each side of the head oval. The ears should be about the same size as the head, curving outwards. Let's draw the elephant's eyes. Now, let's move on to the trunk. Starting from the bottom of the head oval, draw a long, curving line downwards and then back up, forming the trunk. The end of the trunk should be slightly rounded. Next, let's add the elephant's legs. Draw four thick, straight legs extending down from the body. Elephants have very strong legs, so make sure they're wide and sturdy. Add small oval shapes at the bottom of each leg for the feet. Don't forget the elephant's tail. Draw a short, curved line at the back of the body with a small tuft of hair at the end. Great job! Now, let's bring our elephant to life with some colors. Elephants are usually gray, so use different shades of gray to color in the body, ears, and trunk. Fantastic! And there you have it, a magnificent elephant in its natural habitat. I hope you had fun drawing with me today. Don't forget to subscribe to Draw Animals for Kids for more fun drawing tutorials. See you next time!